Hi, Nani sir. This is Harshavardhan from Vijayawani newspaper.
Hi, Harshavardhan.
My question is, ದಸರಾ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಯ್ನಾನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಸರಿಪೋದ ಶನಿವಾರಂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೂರು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ದಸರಾ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ?
No, sir. Actually, pan India is the wrong word because I'm not releasing. If you actually see the Kannada version or Malayalam version or Hindi version, if you see the number of theaters or how we promote the film, it is not to make it market-wise big numbers or anything. I have been noticing there is a lot of love from Kannadigas when it comes on OTT or when the and all the 4 languages are trending in the when it comes in Netflix or Amazon. So that means all the audience are loving the film. So I wanted a very good quality film available in theaters for all those audience, and just not to add to the numbers, not to make it like a pan India film, but to make it available to the Kannadigas who wants to watch that film in Kannada, who are waiting. So I'm making the same thing, making it sure with the Malayalam audience, making it sure with the Hindi audience for this film. And if I'm making an epic kind of a film or sci-fi or fiction kind of, see, this is a mainstream action film, solid proper commercial film in its own unique way. So I'm just trying to make it reach out to all the audience who wants to watch it. I'm not really projecting it as a pan India film or like saying it's a big spectacle, you should come to the theater. No, I know there are audience for this, and I want them to see a very good quality product in the theater, and that's how I'm pushing it. And I think it just we kept doing this since Shyam Singh Roy, Anti Sundaraniki, and then Hainana, Dasara, and this one, and it will follow from here on for every film. It is now there won't be any difference with film. This one is only going to release in Telugu, this one is going to release in other language. No, from here onwards every film of mine will release in Kannada and Malayalam and Tamil and Hindi. So, and depends on the span and idea of the film, the release size will be. So depending on that only everything else matters. So that's the plan. Yeah.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹೊರಗಿನವರ?
Industry friends. Yeah, a lot of industry friends. Of course, there is Sudeep Anna is there, and then now Prashant is a good friend, and Rakshit is a good friend, and our Raj B. Shetty is a good friend. So there are a lot of them, definitely. So I would love to catch up with all of them, but it's always I come here for promotions and then I'm running around from one thing to the other thing and then catch the flight back. So this time I really want to come here and relax and chill with the friends.
Thank you.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.